Hello and welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been away for a few months, had a few things going on in my life, but I'm back and I'm hoping I can spend a little more time and get some more videos out to you guys. So for most of you that subscribe to my channel, I do most of my videos on 3D printing, but I've been doing a lot more with my life than just 3D printing. For the past 30 years I've been building custom furniture and building just about anything that somebody asks me to build. So today I got the job of building a mantle on a big stone fireplace. So I don't own a bandsaw mill and I just have basic tools, but with a little ingenuity I'm going to show you how you can do it too without anything special except a chainsaw and a little time. So if you see the log behind me and you'll see these conduits, I'm going to show you how you can turn this assembly into a rig that's going to let you plane these boards down and turn it into a nice square box beam. So if you want to see how to do it, stick around. So the first step in this process is I made these little brackets that are just 3D printed, and if you look, they're a lot like the aluminum brackets you'll see on like a handrail. Let me just raise this up a little bit. On a handrail or aluminum rail in an industrial application. But since I didn't have access to any of those, I went ahead and drew it up in CAD and printed it out last night. So this little guy right here is going to make it possible to take that log and turn it into a beam. So I'll show you how in just a minute. Alright, so for you who haven't seen this before, what I've done is I've taken my chainsaw and I mounted those clips that I showed you earlier onto the chainsaw bar. I had to drill a couple of holes in the chainsaw bar, but that's going to allow the chainsaw to ride right down these metal bars, cutting a perfectly parallel cut right across this log. So that's just going to sit on there and ride right down the log. So in a few minutes I'm going to get this fired up and we're going to get to cut. And hopefully when we're all done we're going to have a nice big barn beam. I'll get my glasses on, my hearing protection and my gloves, and we'll get this party started. And there you go.